Just a minute. What do I got? What's that? What is it? What is it, Rico? What's that? Oh, what is it? What is it? What's that? What is it? What is it? Oh boy! That's your pellets and you think it's your treats in there. I know. Is it good? Do you like it? Do you like it? Yeah. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yeah. Is it good? Is that good, Rico? Can I have some? Yum, 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 yum. Is it good? Yeah. You don't want to share? You like it? Do you like it? You get so excited. Okay, here. It's his pellets, but I put it in his treat bowl to get him to try the new ones. And it worked. Yeah. It's good? Yeah. I tricked you. I tricked you. It's yummy, yummy, yummy. Yes, because that's always where your treats are in, aren't they? So you think it's treats. And I got you to try the new pellets. Yeah. Right? I just wanted to try different kinds of pellets. I know. I'm going to have to do this all the time to trick you, but one day you're going to figure it out. Right? It's good? Do you actually like it or are you just playing? Yes. Okay, go enjoy. Go eat your pellets. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah. You gonna play peekaboo with them now? Yum, 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 yum. Peekaboo. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You excited? Oh boy. Come here. Come here, Rico. Come on. Whee! Come here. What are you doing? You want to play? You want to play? You want to play? Okay, that's enough. Because look what you just did. Okay, say bye, everybody. You gonna say bye-bye? Say bye. Bye. No more pellets? Say bye-bye. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. What about your cucumber? You gonna have some of your cucumber or no, you're not interested? You wanna share? Okay, say bye-bye. Bye. Say bye. Can you wave for them? Can you wave? Say bye. Bye-bye. You wanna wave? No. Okay, give everybody a kiss. I love you.